Until now, we are using something like this grid template columns, two columns that is of 100 pixels each, and there is a gap between 20 pixel. But why aren't we using a percentage or any other unit for this? So let's do it. Let's change it to percentage here first. I would say here 25%, and I want this to be 4 columns each. And once I save this, my grid items are getting out of the page, and we are getting this horizontal scroll here. Let's give our grid some border, and we would say I want this 2 pixels solid with the variable value of red, and save it. There you go. We have this space in our grid, but our items are going outside this box. That is because we have this 100% width here for the grid template columns, and along with that we have 60 pixels of this gap. So this 60 pixels is getting out of the box. How we can set this up? We can simply change this value using another unit called 1fr 4 times. And there you go. We are getting our items in the box. Now what this fr means, let's learn it by example. Let's say we have this 100 pixel column here, and save it. So we have this column and this available space. What this fr or fractional unit means is this available space that we are having in our grid. 1fr is equal to this available space. Now if we simply say this 1fr, our space will be occupied by these items. So let's save this, and there you go. We are covering our available space with another column, that is our second column. We are having it here. Similarly, we can add another column using 1fr, and this will divide our available space into 2 columns of equal size. If we save this, there you go, we are getting this here. And if we twice the size of this fr, we are getting this column twice as bigger than this column. So let's save this. There you go, we are getting our second column twice as big of the third one. Let's implement this in rows as well. So let's see, grid template rows, and then we are having 1fr 4 times, and then we save it. There is nothing change in here because the height of this grid is auto. Once we set this up to some height, let's say we want this here 600 pixels, save it. What this will does is it will divide our rows into 4 equal parts. As you can see here, there is another scenario with auto property. Let's use this auto here and save it. What happened to our first column? We are only getting the width that is equal to the content inside. We are in our index, and if we change this value to something like hello world and save it, our column will get the width of this content inside.